I feel like I keep making more and more of these videos, and I think it's amazing. There is another new flow jump trail in Alabama. This one is at Coldwater Mountain.
Okay.
They built it over the summer, and I just haven't been here yet, but I did learn that they nearly fully trail armored the whole trail, and I had to go check it out. But instead of parking at the Coldwater Trailhead, which is right by the new trail, I decided to park at the Anniston Trailhead and do a big loop over there. Mostly because they've redone parts of Bomb Dog. Bomb Dog is a near 4-mile downhill trail at Coldwater it's well known, it's legendary, it's a good trail. It loses almost 1,000 feet of elevation over the course of it, so it's a lot of fun. So I thought I would ride it and check out some of the new changes there, and then go to the new jump trail, Red Clay Buffet. Although I was shocked when I got to Bomb Dog, it was not quite in the conditions that we were expecting. Bomb Dog starts with a pretty cool rock feature that has a couple of lines, but as you can see, we're just going to go down the main line today. And then after a short flat pedal, we come up to the Bomb Dog Memorial, which the whole trail was named after the first deputy bomb sniffing dog for the county that it's in.
Justin, this is the Bomb Dog Memorial. I have no idea what's in that mason jar.
And then we move on to the fun part of the trail.
Whoa!
As you can see, the trail's not exactly in the condition I was thinking, and I don't know why. I mean, I live here, I see all the leaves falling, but it was very thick in leaves. So I decided to really focus on some techniques I'm working on, pressuring the bike the right way, making sure the outside pedals lowered or the inside pedals raised, whichever way you like to think about it, and enjoy it for what it was, leaf surfing at its finest. The weather couldn't have been better. If you don't know Coldwater Mountain, it is an IMBA Bronze Ride Center. It has about 40 miles of trails, and it's listed as having 56 trails on Trailfork, so there's plenty of variety here. I do know that there's a trailhead on each side of the mountain per se, the peak. So either way, you're going to start with a climb, and you generally end with a descent, which is the way I prefer it. Obviously, this trail is not in the conditions we were hoping for, and I haven't rode it in a year, and I came almost exactly the same time last year and was met with the same conditions. But that's okay, the thing just rolls a little slower, and it's still a pile of fun. I'd love to see what's underneath the leaves here. I assume it's just more rocks and roots, but you never know. Here's what I would call the crux move of the trail. There is a big switchback right around to go around it, but the trail is so long, that's the only thing to me of any major consequence on it. I didn't make this video to talk about Bomb Dog though. I made it to go look at the new jump trail in Alabama, Red Clay Buffet. So let's go. After a long ride over, we're here, Red Clay Buffet. The trail is fully trail armored, still covered in leaves. I was told that afterwards they're going to blow it off soon. They wanted to try to get most of the leaves out of the trees before they blew it off, and it was running great. It really kind of has two halves. This first beginning is very busy and real tight, and then the second half is a little more open and faster speeded. I counted around 44 jumps, it seems like. See what you can count up. Let me know in the comments how many you think there are on it. But it's a bunch, and it made me very tired. I actually would stop at the break point between the upper and bottom halves.
Well, where's the trail? Not gonna make that one. I feel like it is running a little slower with the leaves. But it's pretty good. Oh, this way.
And right here was the good break point for me. I'm in pitiful shape, and it really shone. The first half to this break point, I counted about 32 jumps, with the rest coming right after this.
So fun, man.
And from right here, you can go right up Baby Bear like I'm going and go right back to the top of it.
And then right back into the climb trail. Sick trail.
And there you have it, a trail that's worth going. If you ever thought about going to Coldwater, it is for sure worth going. That trail is the best, by far, jump trail in Alabama that I have found, for sure. We finished up there, we came on back, and it was a pretty monstrous ride across Coldwater, draining 2 of the 3 e-bike batteries completely empty. If anyone's interested, I will leave a link to the Strava route we took in the description, and you're more than welcome to give it a shot. I got some other things planned before the year is out. Hopefully we have a decent winter like we usually do, and I'm still riding. Maybe I'll see you there.
I don't know what I was worried about. I got 19% battery.